Hola. Are you looking to learn how to say sister in Spanish? You're in luck. In Spanish, sister is translated to hermana. But wait, there's more to it than just a simple translation. Spanish, like many other languages, has different ways of addressing people based on their relationship with you. So, if you're talking to your sister directly, you would use the word hermana. However, if you're talking about your sister to someone else, you would use the word mi hermana, which means my sister. In Spanish-speaking cultures, family relationships are highly valued and respected. It's common to use terms of endearment or affection when addressing family members, and hermana is no exception. For example, you might hear someone call their sister hermanita, which means little sister, or hermana querida, which means beloved sister. Learning how to say sister in Spanish is just the beginning. If you're interested in learning more about Spanish language and culture, there are many resources available to you, including language classes, online courses, and cultural events. By immersing yourself in the language and culture, you'll not only become a better Spanish speaker, but you'll also gain a deeper appreciation for the richness and diversity of the Spanish-speaking world. So, whether you're talking to your own hermana or learning about Spanish culture and language, knowing how to say sister in Spanish is a great first step. Hasta la próxima. Until next time. Hey there, fellow language learners. Are you enjoying this video and finding it helpful? If so, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. By subscribing to our channel, you'll never miss out on our latest language learning videos. Also check out description pages to check out some amazing books which will help you learn Spanish language.